Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up.
Damn it, I shouldn't have gotten that new human alarm clock.
Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up.
Has this ever happened to you?
I have no alarm clock.
Well, look no further. Thanks to the new human alarm clock, you'll never not have a good alarm clock again. So instead of having a boring old cell phone alarm clock, all you have to do is to have the human alarm clock. Let's check out some of our fans. It's terrible. It ruined my life. I never want to think about it in my life. Ugh. The alarm clock human sucks your ass.
The alarm clock human's awesome. I mean, buy it now.
It's just a $25 value for just $46,000. That's right, $46,000. Right now. Now, a different handling and shipping. Call 1-800-529-5670. That's right, 1-800-529-1660. And buy it now because you'll like it.